How to delete Litmatch account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Litmatch account. In order to delete your Litmatch account, first of all you need to open your Litmatch application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you need to tap on your profile icon which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And once you reach your profile page, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the settings page. Once you reach to the settings page, here you need to scroll down and find the option account. Once you find this option, tap on it to open it. And under account section, there you will be able to see delete account option. Now you just simply need to tap on this delete account. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Tap on little circle ahead of these options. Once you tap on them, now you will find acceptor button at the bottom right. Tap on it and here tap on confirm. Once doing that, now you will come back to this login interface. That means your account has been successfully deleted from Litmatch. Also, all your data, messages and connection has been permanently deleted. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete Litmatch account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.